Mae Radnor Hills yn enw cyfarwydd. Mae'n gyflogwr mawr yng nghanolbarth Cymru, gyda thros 200 aelod o staff. Mae gwreiddiau Radnor yn ddofn yn y gymuned leol. Mae cefnogi gweithwyr a'i teuluoedd yn rhywbeth pwysig i'r busnes, ac mae uwchsgilio staff yn hanfodol i ffyniant y busnes. Rheolwr adnoddau dynol Radnor yw Graham McCulloch, ac mae'n sôn pa mor bwysig yw hyfforddiant ac uwchsgilio o fewn y cwmni.
So the training that we source through food and drink skills wells is a very smooth process, and Sian, who's at the end of the phone or sometimes comes and visits us, gives us good advice and sources the training we require.
Mae Holly Sparrow wedi mynychu cwrs mewn welediadau i'r farchnad. Yn ogystal â chynnwys y cwrs, dywedodd Holly bod yr rhestr adnoddau ar annwyd wedi'r cwrs wedi bod yn ddefnyddiol iawn iddi hefyd.
Increasingly now, these days, we're finding a lot of the buyers and the retail teams are after data-backed evidence on trends and insight within the certain categories that we work in.
Dyma Chris Butler, rheolwr marchnata Radnor. Mae Chris wedi cwblhau hyfforddiant mini MBA.
It's a really useful set of courses actually that are available for a marketing team to cover various different elements. So it was a very easy to fit around my job, which is usually a big challenge, is being able to fit those courses in and around the work that you currently do. But that course was particularly good at fitting in and understanding that people have got jobs and families and other commitments. So it was very realistic with the expectations of the time you needed to put into it.
Mae Radnor bob amser yn awyddus I uwchsgilio'r gweithlu.
There's many people at Radnor that have upskilled and changed even career paths into other different departments, and training is provided for them in advance so that they feel like they can move into those roles and do the job well and add value to the company and their new team.
Sonia Chris am yr heriau y fi yn y gorffennol, ac mae'n gwerthfawrogi'r chymorth sydd ar gael gan Rhaglen Sgiliau Bwyd a Diod Cymru.
I suppose a big challenge that we found along the years as the company's grown is having the confidence to really reach out and ask for support and help, and knowing who to ask is a big challenge, and whether the courses you're asking for are available for funding. Food and drink is one of those areas, especially in Wales, where there's lots of innovation, lots of exciting opportunities for workforce and people to start their careers. So we really feel like a passion for encouraging people to explore what those opportunities are.
Dyma Sian Davies, un o reolwyr datblygu'r gweithlu ar Rhaglen Sgiliau Bwyd a Diod Cymru.
When we get feedback from the companies that have participated in training, it's really positive feedback. Quite a lot of the time, companies say the kind of nice to have training they wouldn't be able to have without the programme. Yeah, it's great to see that our contribution as a project is really helping businesses to become more resilient, and through upskilling their staff, it helps with recruitment and retention and definitely makes the employees feel more valued within the business as well.
Os hoffech chi ragor o fanylion am y rhaglen, y cyrsiau a'r cyllid sydd ar gael tuag at hyfforddi ac uwchsgilio eich gweithlu, cysylltwch â ni ar sgiliau-cymru@mentera.cymru.